From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. I feel like I'm throwing a baseball on the opening day, you know? But anyways, the name of this video, S&P 500 Chop Shop, or Chop Fest. You can call it whatever you like it, but that's what it was. Now, we're in this very much thin to win environment, and I'm going to talk a little bit about volumes as we go into the beginning of the video. You know, I've always told you I'm not your chartist, I'm just your feel guy. That's really all I am. I just went to the school of hard knocks, remember? But anyways, the old high of the S&P is 2109.75, or the contract high. Now, thin to win is definitely starting to play out here. I want to remind everybody, the all-time volume high in the S&P 500 is almost 6.7 million contracts in one day. So my question to you is, where has all the volume gone? This week, or this last week if you're looking at this video this weekend, on Monday they only did 938,000 minis total. That was with Globex included. On Tuesday, the S&P Mini, the ESM 15, did 1 million minis. On Wednesday and Thursday, the S&P Mini did 1.2 million, and as we're speaking right now, and I saw this very early on, there's only 780,000 minis traded, and we're going into the 3 o'clock central cash close right now. So, let's talk a little bit about next week. Or let's talk a little bit about right now. The PitBull definitely had this thing nailed down on the Thursday, Friday low, and I'll admit, sometimes these have not happened as well lately, but this one in particular is working pretty well. And then you go into next week and you have those favorable stats on Monday and Tuesday. Kind of a iffy, a somewhat better day on, a little bullish day on Wednesday, but not so strong. A weak day on Wednesday, and then back up positive stats on the April expiration Friday. But you know what? As I see it, when you start talking about these volumes, like today, 780,000 contracts traded, and you have 130,000 of that coming from Globex, you got to really wonder, where is really all this volume gone? People don't really talk that much about it because maybe they don't think that volume matters. But let me assure you that it does, because in a low liquidity, low volume environment like we're seeing, I'm having the same problem, same words like I had yesterday. There's always a tendency for bad news to be exaggerated. So right now what we're seeing is we're seeing a low volume grind. It's working out fine. I think that it's going to be very difficult to stop this up move right now. I think it's going to more than likely press these old contract highs. You're going to run into buy stops just below the old high and just above the old high. That would project you up. We've got a couple levels, one at 2114 and one at 2120. You know what? This is what it's all about. It's about squeezing the shorts out. We'll leave it like that. Have a safe weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.